Hello grade 3 pupils. Before we start our lesson for today, we will be having an activity. I will be showing you pictures and what you are going to do is to tell me the spelling of the picture that I'll be showing you. First picture. What do you think is the picture? Very good. The picture is a dog. How do we spell the word dog? Very good. Dog is spelled D-O-G. Very good. Next picture. This is a bag. A bag is spelled B-A-G. Next picture. This picture is a hen. Very good. Hen is spelled H-E-N. Next picture. This picture is a rat. A rat is spelled R-A-T. Very good. Today, we will be learning about CVC pattern. CVC is the acronym for consonant, vowel, consonant spelling pattern. The alphabet is divided into two groups, the vowels and the consonants. The letters that belong to vowels are A, E, I, O, and U, while the consonant letters in our alphabet are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. So let's try to look with this following CVC word. The first CVC word you can see on our screen is the word dog. Dog is a CVC word once again. Let's try to know why this word is a CVC word. Dog is spelled D. D is a consonant letter. Next letter O. O is a vowel letter. Next letter G. G is a consonant letter. That's why the word dog is a CVC word. Next word, man. Man is spelled M. M is a consonant letter. A is a vowel letter. And N is a consonant letter. That is why the word man is a CVC word. Next word, sun. S is a consonant letter. U is a vowel letter. And N is a consonant letter. That's why the word sun is a CVC word. Now let's try to read the following CVC word. Bad, bad. Had, had. Sat, sat. Pen, pen. Big, big. Bam, bam. Hat, hat. Pet, pet. Can, can. Gas, gas. Beg, beg. Leg, leg. Now let's try to read phrases with CVC word. The bag, the bag. On the bed, on the bed. Inside the box, inside the box. Now we are going to read sentences and identify the CVC words used in it. Okay? The cat is on the mat. What are the CVC words used in the sentence? Very good. The CVC words used in the sentence are cat and mat. Dan has a net. What are the CVC words on the sentence? Very good. The CVC words on the sentence are Dan, has, and net. Next sentence. Pam has a dog. What are the CVC words used in the sentence? Very good. The CVC words used in the sentence are Pam, has, and dog. Now, let's have an activity. You are going to find the CVC words in the sentences that I'll be showing you. Are you ready? First sentence. The contestant ran fast. What is the CVC word used in the sentence? A. The. B. Contestant. C. Ran. And D. Fast. Very good. The answer is C. Ran. Juvie and Haril pat each other's back. What is the CVC word used in the sentence? A. Juvie. B. And. C. Each. D. Pat. Very good. The answer is D. Pat. Next sentence. Mother used 10 eggs to make a leche flan. What is the CVC word used in the sentence? A. Used. B. 10. C. Eggs. D. Make. Very good. The answer is B. 10. Next sentence. Yuki's son helped us carry the box. What are the CVC words used in the sentence? A. Son. B. Us. C. Carry. And D. Bags. Very good. The CVC words used in the sentence are son and box. Last sentence. They throw their waste in the bin. What is the CVC word used in the sentence? A. They. B. Waste. C. The. And D. Bin. Very good. The answer is D. Bin. Once again, class, CVC is the acronym for Consonant, Vowel, Consonants Spelling Pattern.